What's up, guys? We're back on another video. Doing some chicken. I'm not putting the bowl by the time of this hot sauce. So let's put those on and we can forget the water. And if y'all know me very well, I like hot until this is gonna be the treat. Oh guys, if y'all taking the test, good luck. So today was my first test, and if y'all teachers take it, y'all take it. Comment down below because I don't see it. It doesn't taste right. Comment down below and subscribe and like this video. Every video. Guys. Oh yeah, so also this girl. So I wanted to make this one big because this was talking shit about it. I know. Okay, perfect. No, honey, no. And she was like, took on her. I was like, oh, wow. Hold up. I just bring up. I was she's gonna use it, but she can't even go all the way down. If you can't do something, why do you try? Why can't you ask for help, honey? And it's like, oh yeah, look kind of moving. My, you know, to get out of respect. How am I not test? Come on, finish actually. Well, I'm sure I review. My reading teacher wasn't there to help read. I don't know. So when he was watch this guy say this guy sitting across from me in the courtyard. And then I don't know where we found her. I got my assignments, you know, just got and this is about her saying. My friend was a cop. A cop man. Like going to job by home. And they got really like he was like, there's something when I don't know. I don't know why. And then, because we've been there, they're talking at lunch. Teacher, okay. She said, what's up? But did she know? She never, oh, wow. She don't want to stop now. Okay. Mm-hmm. I was taking a break. I was like, you didn't go all the way down. I was like, oh, you do want to. I'm like, so I did one in the courtyard, so she got jealous because I did it better than her. And then she was talking to her friend. Oh, she can't even do it. So, now, I already got that. Summer to the city. Pipe up, she's not doing anything. It's pipe up from nobody. Don't play with me. Bro, don't play with me. Yeah, you wanna go to Julie? He was like, next time we talk about you, come to Julie, you know. And you just go. I'm drunk. No, right. And then she was like, oh, what was going to happen? She was like, oh, you want me to bring some new that sound shit, play shit, whatever it's called. Well, I know I won't fight. Yeah. The next Patty, play with me. So I want to snitch on, oh my God, she threatened me. She threatened me. Oh my gosh. And then I was like, I'm like, no. During the time, I heard them talking about how tomorrow my partner going to school and it said that and then next um, her, her dad's a fucking drug dealer. I don't care who the drug dealer. Already in jail for 6. Okay. So I told her, baby, her. car in here to leave. Oh, okay. Say nobody. I'm sorry. I don't want to be in that person. The house is right now. Mom, when at work, so next day, and then I've been actually scared. What? And then, sauce. A lot of sauce. I know. Do that, you know. I have pew. She's on the floor. Okay, huh? And her ass get by. Yeah. Joe's up the house. I was like, what you want me to do? Let you go? No, I gotta fight you first, bitch. Slide. Standing next to my mom. Got a knife, got a gun. Who cares? Look at this shit, honey. Cause you know. And you know, if you shoot her, you kill her, you're gonna die the same day as. I'm not playing with you. When you commit a crime, I'm gonna do the same thing. Cause baby, please, mama, you funny. You really is. Her name's Angie. Black ass hair, got that same hairstyle every fucking day. Your dad can't do your hair. My dad tried to do mine. He did it perfectly. Look at baby, this is what he did. Can't stop trying me. Please, baby, stop trying me. Please. Well, if you like this video, if you like this story, if you like this mukbang, comment down below. Because I already know I'll do anything else. I got another story, but this is gonna take too long. And I don't want to take too long. Peace out. Make sure like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. Yeah.